Welcome to AutoVisions. Today, we're diving deep into the modern modified 2025 Mitsubishi 3000GT VR4, a legendary name reborn with cutting-edge performance, technology, and aggressive styling. Every aspect of this beast has been reimagined, from the powertrain to the aerodynamics, making it one of the most exhilarating sports cars on the road. Under the hood, this 3000 GT VR4 is powered by a heavily tuned twin-turbocharged 3.5 litres V6 engine, an evolution of the legendary 6G72. Reinforced with forged pistons, upgraded camshafts, and a high-flow intake system, it delivers an astonishing 700 horsepower to all four wheels. A pair of next-gen ball-bearing turbochargers provide rapid spool times, ensuring explosive acceleration while an advanced air-to-liquid intercooler setup keeps temperatures in check. The ECU has been fine-tuned with multiple boost maps, allowing drivers to switch between performance modes instantly. Power is managed by a robust 6-speed sequential transmission, featuring carbon synchros and an upgraded twin-disc clutch for lightning-fast shifts. The Super All-Wheel Control (SAWC) system has been modernized, distributing torque intelligently between the front and rear axles for maximum grip. An electronically controlled limited slip differential further enhances traction, making cornering precise and responsive. Launch control and a new torque vectoring system ensure blistering off-the-line performance with zero wheel slip. The suspension has been completely overhauled with fully adjustable coilovers featuring adaptive damping, allowing drivers to switch between comfort and track-ready stiffness. A lightweight aluminium subframe and reinforced strut bars increase rigidity, ensuring razor-sharp handling. Upgraded sway bars and polyurethane bushings further refine the driving dynamics, making this modern 3000 GT VR4 an absolute weapon on twisty roads and racetracks alike. Braking power is just as impressive, with a massive 6-piston Brembo braking system clamping onto carbon ceramic rotors. This setup provides fade-free stopping power, essential for high-speed driving. The ABS system has been recalibrated for better modulation, and an active aerodynamics package enhances downforce, improving high-speed stability. Visually, this 3000 GT VR4 boasts an aggressive yet refined look. The wide-body kit features sculpted carbon fiber fenders, a vented hood for better heat dissipation, and a front splitter designed for optimal airflow. Side skirts and rear diffuser enhance aerodynamics, while an adaptive rear wing adjusts dynamically based on speed and driving conditions. The LED headlights incorporate a sleek DRL signature, and lightweight forged wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires complete the stance. Inside, the cabin blends luxury and performance. Recaro bucket seats wrapped in Alcantara provide exceptional support, while a digital gauge cluster and a massive infotainment touchscreen integrate Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and real-time telemetry. The flat-bottomed carbon fiber steering wheel features integrated controls for drive modes and launch settings. A premium sound system delivers crystal-clear audio, though the turbocharged V6's RAW might be the only music you need. This modernized 3000 GT VR4 is a tribute to the past and a glimpse into the future of high-performance Japanese sports cars. It retains the spirit of Mitsubishi's golden era while embracing cutting-edge engineering. Whether on the track or the streets, this machine is built to dominate,